Explain from المعاصر book, lesson number 1, Cartesian Product, unit number 2. First, we'll explain the order pair. Like A and B consists of two projections. The first projection A and second projection B. A is coordinate and B at projection at Y coordinate. The order pair represents the position of the point in the Cartesian coordinate system, like this. The relation between two ordered A and B not equal to B and A weakened ordered, and when they are represented graphically as shown graphically, they are located into distant position, like this. 3 and 2 not equal to 2 and 3. There exists an empty set of elements denoted by null set where there is no empty ordered pair. We solve the examples like this. Solution number 1, 2, 3, 4. Solution in the book. Now I will explain by yourself number 1. You can read this question by yourself, okay? This question and solving. Look at here. I will solve it. Try yourself number 1 here. Find the value of each of x and y when first the order x plus 1 and y power 2 equivalent to 3 and 9. First order, we have x plus 1 will be equal to 3 and y power 2 will be 9. Then the value of y will be positive or negative. Square root of 9 is 3 and x here equals 3 minus 1 equal 2. It's question number 1. Question number 2, x power 3 and 5 and 8 equal to 3 and 3y minus 7. We can write first x power 3 minus 5 equal 3 and 8 equal 3y minus 7. Then x power 3 equal to 5 plus 3 equal 8. The value of x will be cubic root of 8 equal 2, and here 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 equal 3y, and the value of y it will be 5. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. This is question number 2. Question number 3, we have relation between two orders. They are equivalent. Then the first projection equal first projection and second equal second. Then question number 3, we can write x power 2 minus 2 will be equal to y. Look at here, equal y, and 2y equivalent to cubic root of 64. First step, we can write 2y equal cubic root of 64 is 4. And the value of y equal 2. Put the value of y equal 2 here. Then x power 2 minus 2 equal 2. X power 2 will be equal 4. Then the value of x will be positive or negative. Square root of 4. And the value of x equal positive or negative 2. Okay, understood. Next question. Listen to me about explain Cartesian product between sets like x Cartesian product with y. You can write the order which x point to the first and y point to the second. Next, x equals set of 1 and 2 and y equal 5, 7, 8. It's Cartesian product with y. We can use distributive about each element in the first set. 1 is all sets and 2 with all sets also. We know x Cartesian product by y not equivalent to y Cartesian product by x, not equivalent. We can draw a diagram from each element representation the first projection, the element of the first set to each element representing the second projection, and the elements of the second set, like x or x to y or y to x. We have represented by Cartesian diagram, first projection and second projection, x and y and x, and the point vertical at the axis. We know number of element of x product by number of element of y give me the number of all ordered Cartesian product by x and y. This if n by element of x product by element of y, we have 2 elements in x and 3 elements in y, then total 3 equals 6. Next question. We must know x Cartesian product with null set, it will be null set phi. Is this? to channel solution number 2. We have relation between x and y. This Cartesian product between together, and then find the number of elements. Now I will solve the number 2 with you. Okay. Number 2 here, if x equals 7 and 8 and y equal 5 and 6, which is the following. Find number 1, y Cartesian product by x. We can find the relation between together, right? You want it using Cartesian diagram. Okay, first step, write an element on y 5 and 6 product by Cartesian of x 7 and 8. Then we have 5 with 7 and then 5 with 8 and then 6 with 7 and 6 with 8, and then we can draw Cartesian diagram like this. It's Cartesian diagram about first set down, y here down and x up, first down and second up. Okay, the first 5 and 6 and y 5 and 6 and x equals 7 and 8, and right point vertical here. It's Cartesian product. This is number 1. Number 2, you want x Cartesian product by y. X Cartesian by y, write x first, 7 and y, and 8. Cartesian product with y was 5 and 6. We can write the order 7 with 7, 7 with 5, and 7 with 6. Next 8 with 5, and 8 with 6. And then draw arrow diagram about first set x and second y. The element of x is 7 and 8 and y 5 and 6. We can draw a row like this. Next question. Find the number of ordered by Cartesian product x and y. We can write the element of x. X has 2 elements and y also. Then 2 times 2 equal 4. And then number 4, he won't find number of Cartesian product y by x. 2 power 2 equal 4. Then the result here will be 4. Next question, Cartesian product of a set by itself, like x by x. We can draw by arrow diagram rectangle and put the element of it like this, x by itself. You can draw like this is the arrow diagram, 2 sets and then joined, or those circles and join like this. Okay. Next question. I will solve it. I will solve with you question number 3 here. We have x equal 5, 6 and 3. You don't find x Cartesian product with y and then represent by using a diagram. First y by y. Okay, y by y. Write the element of y was 7 and 8. Cartesian product by 7 and 8 also. And then use distributive about 7 with 7, 7 with 8, and then 8 with 7, and then 8 with 8. And then draw arrow diagram. Y and y, or you can draw rectangle and put all elements of y in it. We have element of y 7 and 8, the element like this, and 7 with 7 and 8 with itself. Number 2, x2 and also Cartesian product. X product by x, we can write the element of x was 5, 7 and 3, 5, 6 and 3. Product by itself 5, 6 and 3. The first 5 is 5, and 5 was 6, and 5 with 3. Then 6 was 5. Okay, 6 was 5, 6 was 3, and then 3 was 5, 3. You can complete it. Okay, now I will draw Cartesian diagram about x by x. Cartesian diagram, write x here. Element of x was 5, 6, and 3, and also 5, 6, and 3. And write the image up here. Number 3. Here he want number of y2. Y has 2 elements. 2 power 2 equal 4. The result will be 4. Next question. We have x is the solution. This question was solution. Solution about this question up. We'll solve it number 6. Number 3 here. I solve this question now. It was repeating. Next page. Number 4. Choose the correct answer. If number of element of x equal 3 and number by the order Cartesian product x and y is 12, and then number of element and y equal 12 divided by 3 equal 4, then the answer will be letter A, which is 4. Next question. Number of element. Here he want to find. Okay, give me a number of the order by Cartesian product x and y equal 15, and y has 3 elements. Look at here. We have the number of element by Cartesian product, and the ordered was 15. He give me the information y was 3 elements. Then 3 times 5 equal 15. Then the number of element of x equal 5. Number of x2, it will be 5 power 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Result here D. Choose letter D. Next question. Number 3. We have number of x2 was 4. It's meaning number of element of x was 2. And number of x Cartesian product with y was 4. Y has 2 elements. And number of element 2 power 2, it will be 4. Choose letter C. Remember, we have union and intersection as a difference. You can solve this question also and read and the answer. Next question down here. Okay, read this question. Try to solve number 5. We have x and y and z. You want to find number 1. Z Cartesian product by x intersection by y. Look at here. Z has how many elements? 2 and 7 only. Cartesian product by intersection between x and y. X and y intersection with 2 and 3. Right, 2 and 3. Then the Cartesian product, we can write 2 with 2 and 2 with 3 and 7 with 2 and 7 with 3. This is question number 2. Question number 2 is Z Cartesian product by x minus y. Z equal 2 and 7. X minus y, x difference y, limit of x and y. We have 4 only element. Then we can write the element here 2 with 4 and 7 with 4. Number 2. Z Cartesian product by x difference y. The element of z was 2 and 7. Cartesian product by x difference y. What is the element in x? Not found in y. We have 4. Okay, 4 found it in x, not found in y. X difference y, it will be 4. Then we can write Cartesian product 2 with 4 and 7 with 4. It's question number 2. Okay. Now we can speak about the Cartesian product in sheets like n by n or z Cartesian by z, or rational number by rational number and real numbers. For the example like this, give me the point, me belonging to what? Order pair n by n here. We can write the whole number letter D. Choose letter D here. Okay, the solution about this question will be down. You must write the solution and see the answer here. We'll explain itself number 6. We have square root of 16 will be 4. We have 4 and 4 belonging to n by n. Number 2. Cubic root of negative 64, it will be negative 4. The second point, negative 4 here. It's belonging to z. Why is it in centimeters? Number 3, 1 over 9 and 1 over 8. It's belonging to rational number, q by q. And number 4, we have square root of 8 and 0 belonging to real numbers. Now I will explain from المعاصر book on the solution with me about the order. First equal first and second will be equal second. You must know the properties to find the answer, like question number 3. Question 1 and 2, it's easy to find direct question, but here I will write some questions to solve with you. 2x equal 8, then the value of x equal 4, and negative 3y equal 6, and y equal negative 2. Number 4, 2a plus 1 and 8, 7 half of b. We can write 2a plus 1 equal 7 and equal half of b, then the value b equals 16, and here 2a equals 6, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Question number 4. Question number 5. Number 7 or number 5, okay. We have x power 2 and 7 equivalent to 4 and y power 2 minus 2. The first x power 2 will be equal 4 and second 7 will be y power 2 minus 2. Then y power 2 is 7 plus 2, 9. Y will be positive or negative. Square root of 9 equal 3 and x equal positive or negative square root of 4 equal 2. And question number 6. We have x power 2 plus 1 and cubic root of y equal 5 and negative 2. X power 2 plus 1 equal 5 and cubic root of y negative 2. Then y equal negative 2 power 3, it will be negative 8, and x power 2 it will be 4, then the value of x equal positive or negative 2. Question number 7. 5 power x minus 2 and x times y equivalent 1 and 18. 5 power x minus 2 equal 1 and x times y equal 8. 1 here equal 5 power 0. Base equal base and power equal power. X minus 2 equals 0, then the value of x will equal 2. 2 product by y equal 8, then the value of 8 will be 4, because 8 divided by 2 equal 4. This is question 7. Question number 8. We have a and 7 equivalent to p power 2 and p. Then a will be equal p power 2 and 7 will be p. First, second by second. Then here a will be 7 power 2 is 49. Understood? This is the direct question. 7 equal b and a equal 7 power 2. Now I will explain question number 2. We have 2a and 2a minus 3, 2a minus 3 and 4. Its order equivalent to the other order 4a and b plus 5. Okay, first by first, then we can write 2a minus 3 equal 4a and 4 equal p plus 5. We can move 2a subtract by 4a equal 2a. 2a equal negative 3. Understood? The result here we can divide it by 2, that a equal negative 3 over 2, and b equal 4 minus 5 negative 1. Then he won't find the absolute value of 2 product by a minus b. Okay, give me the answer. 2 product by negative 3 over 2 minus b. The value of b was minus 1. Negative طب negative positive, it will be positive 1. 2 divided by 2 1. Then we have negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1, it will be negative 2. Absolute value of negative 2 equal 2. Number 2, we have first equal first and second equal second. Then x minus 7 will be equal to negative 2, and second here 28 is equivalent to y power 3 plus 1. Then we have 27 equal y power 3. The value of y will be 3, cubic root of 27. And then x will be equal negative 2 plus 7. Move negative 7 here, then the value of x will be 5. We have x and y. Then we have cubic root of x plus y. Cubic root of 5 plus 3 equal 8. We can collect together, then the cubic root will be 2. Okay, understood. Next question. Number 4, we have first equal first, then x plus 5, and x plus y. First, x plus y was equal 9, and 5 equal x minus 2, then x will be equal 7, and 7 plus y equal 9, and the value of y will be equal to square root of 3x plus 2y. 3 times 7, it will be 21. 2 times 2 is 4, then we have square root of 25, and the result will be 5. Now I will find this question by Cartesian Product. 2 sets, you can draw it. This question like this. I will solve it. Question number 9. This is the same question up. I explain extra question like this, but I will solve first question about x Cartesian by y. You can write the element of x 1, 2, 3 with y. Y was x and y. You can write the Cartesian product, the first order, 1 with x and 1 with y, 2 with x and 2 with y, and then 3 with x and 3 with y. And then number 2, he wants the inverse, y Cartesian product by x. The set of y was x and y, Cartesian product by x, 1, 2, 3. We can write x and 1, x and 2, and x and 3, y with 1, y with 2, and y with 3. Now we want to find x2. X by itself, we have 1, 2, 3 with itself. You can use distribute properties. Okay, 1 with 1, and 1 with 2, and then 1 with 3, and then you can complete all question like 2, like 1. Okay, you can complete it, and also y2 by the same idea. Okay, you can complete it. I will solve with you here question number 11. It's a new idea about give me the solution. I won't find x. We can find x. The first, we have 2 and 3 and 5. First 2 and 3 and 5. First projection. And y equals the second projection here, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9. Okay. Also, you can find the answer about the question number 12. We can write y and x. X is the first set because the product give me the solution. The first projection belong to x 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. Write 1 only, and y equals the second projection. Second here 1 and 3 and 5. Okay. You can complete by found the solution down. Okay. Also he give me x 2 meaning x by x. then x, it will be the first and the second also. We have 1 and 2. Give me 1 here and 2. X equal 1 and 2. Give me two solutions or two seats here, and won't find number 1, 2, 3. Number 1, he won't find x intersection with y, Cartesian product with y. X intersection with y, the intersection between together. Give me the solution. Here we have repeated about who can tell me the repeated here? X and y, the repeated was 4. 4 is repeated. Cartesian product with y. 3, 4 and 5. Then we have 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 5. Number 2, x difference y, Cartesian product by y. The element in x, not in y. We have 6 and 8. Cartesian product with y was 3, 4, 5. We can write 6 with 3, and 6 with 4, and 6 with 5, and second order 8 with 3, 8 with 4, and 8 with 5. It's number 2. Number 3, we have y difference x, Cartesian product by x. Y difference x, the element in y not found in x. We have 3, 5. 4 was found. The element in y and not found in x. We have 3, 5. 3 and 5. Can you see it? Look here. 3, 5. 3 and 5 not found in x. Then y difference x, it will be 3 and 5. Cartesian product by x. X was 6, 4 and 8. Then the solution, 3 was 6, and 3 was 4, 3 was 8, and then 5 was 6, 5 was 4, and 5 was 8. Solution also number 15, like last idea about union. You want to find y, Cartesian product by y, union z. The element of y was 2 and 3, Cartesian product by union y and z. Y and z we can write 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Union between y and z, and then you can complete. Number 2, he won't find x intersection by z, Cartesian product by y, Cartesian intersection by z. The intersection between x and z, here x, x and z, intersection was 5. Was is the intersection the similar between together, and y with z, y intersection with z, y with z 2 only. Okay, 2 was repeating. Then the Cartesian product will be 5 and 2. Number 3, you won't find z difference y, Cartesian product with z difference x. Look at here. Difference y, what is the element in z and not found in y? We have 4 and 5. And z difference x, what is the element in z and not found in x? We have 2 and 4. Z difference x, it will be 2 and 4. And then you can complete, find the order, 5 distributive with 2, and then 5 with 4. Complete 4 with 2, and 4 with 4. You can solve this question. It's easy or not? Okay, first we can write x and y. The element of x here we have 3. Look at here, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4 is the first. Write 3 and 4 and don't repeat. And y is the second. have 3 7 8 3 7 8. Okay, this is x and y. Number 2, you want to find y Cartesian product by the intersection between x and y. Okay, x and y intersection between together 3. Then the element of y was 3 7 8, Cartesian product with 3. The order will be 3 and 3, and then 7 with 3, and then 8 with 3. Understood? Number 3, x difference y Cartesian product with y difference x. We found the set of x was 3 and 4, and y was equal 3 7 8. Then the difference between x and y, what is the element in x not found in y? We have 4, and y difference x we have 3 here, 7 and 8. 4 with 7 and 4 with 8. Now we'll complete number 4. You want to find x union y Cartesian product by x intersection with y. We can write the union between together and then intersection between x and y. X was 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and y equals 3 7 8. Right, 7 and 8. Intersection between x and y, the intersection will be 3 between two sets, and then you can write the order 3 with 3, and 4 with 3, 7 with 3, and 8 with 3 with 3. Number of y2. Y has how many elements in y? Y equals 3 7 8. 3 elements, 3 power 2 is 9. And x has how many elements in x? We have 3 and 4. 2 elements, 2 power 2 equal 4. Number 1, x Cartesian product by y intersection by z. The element of x was 2 and 3. Intersection between y and z intersection at 5. The first 2 and 5, and second 3 and 5. Number 2, x union y intersection by y minus z. Then we can find the union between x and y. X and y we have 2 3 4 5, and y difference z, the element in y not is z, we have 3 and 4. You can complete, okay, distributive and find the order in the solution. Next question. From the given figure we can write y difference y first, Cartesian product by y minus x. X difference y, Cartesian product with by y minus x equal, what is the element in x not in y? We have 2 and 8. And y difference x, the element in y and not found in x, we have 6 4 3. And then you can complete to find Cartesian product distribute of 2 with all elements and 8 with all elements, the brackets. Next question. X equal 1 2 3, the number of element equals 3. We have 3 elements in X. And number of element Cartesian product X by Y was 21. And the number of Y will be 7 because 3 times 7 is 21. The number of Y2, 7 by 7 is 49. Next question. Have X difference Y. Cartesian product with Y. X difference Y. First step. Look at here the solution. He give me X difference Y. Cartesian product with Y equal 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. It's meaning what? The first will be 1. Then X difference Y. It will be 1. And element of Y was 2 and 3. The difference between together equal 1. Then X will be the numbers here. You can tell me Y. He give me number of element of X times Y equal 6. Then number of element in Y was 2. We have 2 elements. And X difference Y, he give me number of X 2 times what equals 6, 2 times 3, because he give me this information. Number of element of X times Y equals 6. We have 2 elements in Y, then X have 3 elements and Y has 2 elements. Then X difference Y, Cartesian product with Y, was X minus Y. It will be 1. So in X we can write any numbers. If you draw like this, X and Y, X difference Y, it will be 1. Okay, and Y was 2 and 3. Right here 2 and 3. Then we have the intersection between two numbers. Then X difference Y will be 1. Okay, then we have 2 element difference. Again, X difference Y, it will be 1. I write X outside here, and X has 3 elements. Okay, my students, I will put here the intersection between together like this. We have X and Y. I will write here 2 and 3, and X equal 1. X minus Y, it will be 1, and Y equal to 3, then X equal 1 and 2 and 3. Because X has 3 elements. Then he won't find X intersection Y, Cartesian product with Y. The intersection between together equal 2 and 3, and Y also equal 2 and 3. And the result will be 2 with 2 and 2 with 3, and then 3 with 2, 3 with 3. Okay, it's an important question. Next question down. Number 1. The number 1 of cars belongs to company 1 number chosen from a number 1, 3, 5 and 7 with 1 letter from A, B, C. How many ways can be numbered? We can product 3 times 4 equal 12. The number of ways we have 3 product by 4 is 12. Next question. We have X from 1 to 10, and you won't find Cartesian products. X by X, the number of element will be number of X by X. It will be 10 times 10, it will be 100. Understood? And he gave me 3 elements and 4 elements, then 3 times 4 is 12. The number of Cartesian product between two sets. The first set was 1, 2, 3. With the second set was 1, 2, 3 and 4. The number will be 3 times 4, it will be 12. Okay, then he won't find the probability. We have 12 divided by 100, and then divided by 4 up and down, it will be 3 over 25. Understood? Next question. Want to find polling to what? About 4 square root of 4 at 5. It's polling to natural number by natural number. Number 2, cubic root of -8 and 3. Polling to integers because cubic root of -8 equal -2. And we have 2 1/2 and third polling to rational number. And square root of 5 and 1 polling to real number by real number. Thinking about question number 1. How many order pairs x and y polling to x Cartesian product by y satisfies its first projection is an odd number and the second number projection is not p? Okay, we can require the pairs of from the Cartesian product 2 sets. We have 1 and 3, it's odd number, and here and c, because he gave me this information. How many order pairs x and y polling to x satisfies, or polling to x Cartesian product satisfies the first projection is an odd number and the second projection is not p. Second projection here not p. Then the first we can choose 1 and 3 only, and here e and c. Then the number of element here 2 times 2, it will be 4. The number will be 4. Understood? We can cancel p and cancel here 2 and find the number between together. Next question. If number of x Cartesian product with y was k plus 4, then number of element of y will be equal k plus 4 over number of element in x. Number of element of x equal k, then k plus 4 over k. He asked about not equivalent. We must write whole numbers, but k well, he asked about number of element y not equal what? If you put number of y equal 2, then 2 times k equal 2k. Understood what I will do? Okay, listen to me. I will put the answer here, k plus 4 over k equal 2 first, and then show the value of k. If k is the whole number, it's correct. Not whole number, not correct. And then also write k plus 4 over 2 over k. I will put the answer here 3. Next, I will put k plus 4 over k equal what? Equal 4. I was incomplete. 3 times k is 3k and k plus 4. Then 2k will be equal 4. Then the value of k equal 2. And 2 times k equal 2k, k plus 4. Then k equal 4. It's correct and this correct. And here 4 times k, it will be 4k equal k plus 4. Then 4k minus k is 3k. 3k equal 4. And the value of k equals 3 over 4. It's not correct. You must choose 4. Then number of element of y not equal 4. Not equal 4. Because if we put 4, the value of k will be fraction. And we want the value of k, it's a whole number. And the letter D also to correct. If we put number of y is 5, it will be correct. Okay. If you put 5 here, it will be correct. But look at the steps. K times 5, it will be 5k equal k plus 4. Then we can put here equal 5. Then if we moved, it will be have 4k equal 4. If we divide it by 4, then the value of k will be 1. It's correct. So not correct at letter C, at number of y equal 4. Then the solution here not correct or can't equal letter C. Choose letter C.